Hi there, today we're going to make a miniature book using just one sheet of paper. This is how you do it. You will need a standard size piece of paper, a pencil or a pen for drawing, coloured pencils or texters, and some sticky tape. Take your sheet of paper and fold it into thirds lengthways. Once you've done that, cut along the creases until you have 3 long strips of paper. Take one strip and fold it over at the end to make a square about as wide as your hand. This will be your page size. Keep folding the strip like an accordion to make more pages. Now do the same with the second strip. Take your first folded piece and line up the page size against the second strip so that the folds on the second strip have an equal page size to the first strip. Now you fold backwards and forwards like an accordion, just like you did with the first strip. When you're done, you might have some loose ends. Don't worry about that, that's actually quite good. Helpful, in fact. Just fold them over, because you'll use those to attach the two pieces together. Now line up your two pieces of paper, just like this. See how that loose end just sits in nicely between the two pieces of paper? You're going to get your sticky tape and tie down that loose end on the back of the pages, the printed side that is. And then you'll flip over your book and put another piece of sticky tape right along the fold crease, just like this. Neato bonito. Now you've got one long accordion book. If you still have a loose end that isn't the size of a full page, take your scissors and cut it off at the crease mark, just like this. Now, onto the cover. Take the third strip of paper, this is going to become the cover of your mini book. Line up the cover piece with page 1 of your book, like so. Take the sticky tape and attach the cover piece along the crease between the fold of page 1 and page 2 of your book. Then you're going to fold the cover piece around the edge of page 1, like so. Now we're going to make a spine for your cover, because we all know that the best books have a spine. Fold the cover strip back on itself at the edge of page 1. Now you're going to fold the cover strip around the back of the book. Make a nice sharp fold. Turn your book over so the printed side is facing you, and draw a pencil line following the crease you just made. Draw a second pencil line, allowing about a ½ centimetre gap. Fold along the second pencil line. This gives your miniature book a little baby spine about 1/2 centimetre wide. See? Now wrap the cover around your book. The spine fits nicely around the page creases. Next, fold the cover piece around the edge of the last page. If the cover end is a little bit bigger than a page size, use your scissors to trim off the excess. Now stick the cover to the crease where the last page meets the second last page. I noticed when I was looking at my book that the cover didn't quite sit right, so I undid the sticky tape, made an adjustment and re-stuck the cover down. And now the book is sitting just right. Congratulations! You've now completed the construction of your book.